morning class. So today in that video I shall be telling you about again the number conversion, but this time we will convert a number from decimal to hexadecimal. So hexadecimal contains 16 digit symbols starting from 0 to 9 and then A to F, denoting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So let's start, and we will use the repeated division method, which is again the same. Divide the given number by the base of the desired number successively and collect all the remainders from last to first in order MSD to LSD. Okay, let's have an example here. So 100, it is in decimal. I want to convert it in hexadecimal. So 100 divided by 16. So 16 6 are 96. Here 4 and again dividing by 16. 0 times 6 minus 0 is 6. Here it is 0. So in that order 6 4 base 16. So the decimal and the hexadecimal equivalent of 100 is 6 4 base 16. Okay, so this is same repeated division method. Now we will convert another number. So divide the given number by 16. So how many times it will be divided by 16? So 16 ones are 16, 16 4 and 5, 5 and 4 54. 13 times. So dividing it 13 times, it will leave carry 6, and again dividing by 16 0 times, because it is already less than this. So here it is 13. So 13 is denoted by a digit, a single alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, D, because 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are denoted by A, B, C and D and E and F. So we are having 13 means D. So in that direction D 6. So D6 will be the result in our case. Now when we are converting a number from hexadecimal to decimal, we will use the multiplication method. So let's take an example here. Like we are having a number 2D. 2D is hex and we want its decimal. So method is 2 and D. Now D is denoting 13. D means 13. So into base is 16, into base is 16, power is 0, power is 1. So plus 16 raised to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 13 is 13, plus 16 raised to power 1 16 into 2 32. So adding these two we are getting 45. So 2D means decimal equivalent 45. Decimal equivalent 45. So it is same like previous one, like hex to decimal, octal to decimal, and binary to decimal. All these methods are same. Now I will tell you how to convert a number from binary to hexadecimal and from hexadecimal to binary. So first we will convert number from hexadecimal to binary. To convert a number from hexadecimal to binary, we must have a table which will be giving us a 4-bit equivalent of each hexadecimal digit. So we are having 0, hex, and bin. So 4 0 0 0 0. 4, why 4? Because hex is having a base 16, binary is having a base 2. So while converting into in form of 2, it is 2 raised to power 4 and it is 2 raised to power 1. So here the ratio is 4:1. So every hexadecimal digit is represented by 4-bit binary. So now we are creating a table for ease. Hexad 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E and F. So like this we will create equivalent binary. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 and here 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, so this is the table is created. Every digit is denoted in 4-bit binary, and now when hexadecimal to binary, simply 9 is equal to this. So 1 0 0 1. A is 1 0 1 0. 2 is 0 0 1. 2 is this. So 0 0 1 0. Now removing these two zeros from starting, we will get this as binary equivalent. This is the binary equivalent. Similarly, if a number is given as binary and we want its hexadecimal equivalent, so binary to hexadecimal. Suppose we are having a binary 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So for converting binary to hexadecimal, we are required to divide the given binary into the group of 4 bits, starting from right hand side to left hand side. So these are 4 bits, these 4 bits, these 4 bits, and these are not 4 bits, so increase 2 zeros and again it is a 4-bit number. Now match these 4 bit from that table like this. 0 1 0 1, so 0 1 0 1 is 5, 0 1 1 1 is 7, 0 1 0 1 again 5, and 0 0 1 1 is 3. So that number is the number 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0101 is hex 3575. So you must remember that table, but that table is very easy to remember. No need to remember, simple. Here it is 5. So 5, convert it into the binary. 2 2 to the 4, so minus 1. 2 1 is 2, 0. 2 0 is 1 1. This, so 0 1 0. It is for 5, but it is 3 bit. To make it 4 bit, add 1 0. To make it 8 bit, add 4 more zeros. So it is like this. Easily you can find that symbols tables by your own conversions. Okay, so now I will give you some questions to for conversion. Convert it, and if you are having any trouble, any problem converting the number, ask write in the group, and I will give you the solution. Okay, till then, thank you, thanks for watching.